Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Bigtime. Wanted to do a video on this. Some of you requested this, so I saw that and I was like, all right, well, I already keep my eyes on this almost every day, so I'll make a video on that, all right? Because I thought like Bigtime is on my watch list. It's been on my watch list for quite some time now. It's been one of my favorite cryptos to trade as well. I've had some great trades on this, so I do at least know what I think about Bigtime, right? So that's what I'll tell you. Hopefully, I'll kind of prepare you for what's possible and also some different trade opportunities, etc. But we'll talk about what's going on and what you need to know, right? So let's get right into it. First of all, I think we need to zoom out to the 12-hour time frame to kind of get a sense of what's going on here with Bigtime. And I would say, like going all the way back, the first time we actually turned bullish was when we broke this structure. All right, you had a mild but strong downtrend here. We broke above that 12th of September. That is when we turned bullish. And I think that we are still, although we've also consolidated at times and we've been bearish at times, but I think we are overall still trending up. All right, you can still see that there's a real uptrend here, and we've broken below the trend band on the 12-hour time frame, but on the daily time frame, as you can see right here, we still very much have a lot of support in this level. I would say between 12.5 cents and 14 cents. Now, normally I would say it's more like 13.5 cents and 14 cents, but due to the election volatility, I think it would be fine to spike down to 12 cents as well. Spike down, immediately get back above 14 cents, then that's fine as well. Because obviously, I mean, I won't talk too much about the elections when we're talking about Bigtime, but we are going to be very volatile. So I think daily time frame, we are at an uptrend, but we are also not fully bullish. On the lower time frames, we are bearish. You can see on the daily, we drop down below the 200 EMA right here, which served as support. And on the 4-hour time frame, it's even more clear. This is definitely a downtrend. Massive bearish breakdown here below 15.5 cents. So short term, I think it is more likely. By the way, volume is also dropping down. Open interest is also relatively bearish here, or has at least a bit of a bearish bias. So I would say short term, it's more likely here that we will drop down into that level between 14 cents. 14 cents is historically an amazing support level. And like I said, ultimately 12.5 cents. And there it gets interesting. All right, because what I would say at the moment, even though it is very dependent on the election outcome, I would say getting back to the daily time frame that yes, it is most likely that we will drop down into that green area. But I do think it is most likely, looking at the trend and looking at how gaming has performed, which is relatively well over the last 2 months or so, I think we can actually hold this level and break back above 16 cents, where we have the daily 200 EMA, break above that, get back up to 20 cents, potentially break above that. I would say that's most likely. All right. Now, what I do need to, in terms of invalidation, like at what point do I no longer think we're going to get that move up again from this support level? Look, what I need to see is just some new momentum coming in. If you look at the open interest right now, it's been relatively flat, and we want to see something like this or like this. So that is what I will focus on most. For now, like I said, short term, I think it will be bearish. Should you buy from the support level right here between 14 and 12.5 cents? No. Wait for the momentum to come back in from that level, and then you have easy invalidation. Because if we then drop down below that level, then the idea was wrong, and you should sell. Well, we actually do have some sort of an entry trigger with new momentum. So if you're interested in that, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, there's nothing actionable. All right. I think it's maybe short this, but that's also with the election volatility coming up, not great. So wait for the buy level between 14, 12.5 cents. Wait for momentum to kick in, and then think about buying it. Those are my thoughts. This is what I think is most likely. I'll keep you updated on this if you're interested in that. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.